How does one come to know the sea's dark secrets? Monsters. Are they real? I want you to tell me what happened. Tell me the secret of the Essex.
I don't expect a writer to understand, Mr. Melville.
Promise me to come back.
I'll come back as quick as a summer's night, I swear.
Normally, a captain gets to choose his first mate.
An experienced captain, yes.
Centuries before, sailors feared sailing off the edge of the earth.
All hands on deck!
But we were headed for the edge of sanity.
I believe you have seen things no one else has seen.
What is it?
Abandoned ship!
We can't row away home!
We will surely perish out there.
We might also survive. Don't you quit on me. We're going home.
Say you're scared! Say it!
As I live and breathe, he's mine.
So it's true.
Yes, too much is true.